Here we go. Flowers. What can you see? Blooming flowers. In the garden. Here we go. Butterfly. What can you see? Colorful butterfly. In the garden. Here we go. Trees. What can you see? Tall trees. In the garden. Here we go. Bird. What can you see? Chirping bird. In the garden. Here we go. Grass. What can you see? Green grass. In the garden. Here we go. Sun. What can you see? Bright sun. In the garden. Here we go. Bee. What can you see? Buzzing bee. In the garden. Here we go. Spider. What can you see? Spinning spider. In the garden. Here we go. Ladybug. What can you see? Spotted ladybug. In the garden. Here we go. Clouds. What can you see? Fluffy clouds. In the garden. Here we go. Ants. What can you see? Marching ants. In the garden. Here we go. Caterpillar. What can you see? Crawling caterpillar. In the garden. Here we go. Pond. What can you see? Quacking pond. In the garden. Here we go. Rabbit. What can you see? Hopping rabbit. In the garden. Here we go. Snail. What can you see? Sliding snail. In the garden. Here we go. Dragonfly. What can you see? Whizzing dragonfly. In the garden. Here we go. Mushroom. What can you see? Toadstool mushroom. In the garden. Here we go. Squirrel. What can you see? Nut-loving squirrel. In the garden. Here we go. Dandelion. What can you see? Wishing dandelion. In the garden. Here we go. Wind. What can you see? Blowing wind.